Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see on the screen, I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing design. So I call it a 3D Ying Yang Design. So we have here on my right, it's going to be the resource that we're going to use for this design. So I'm going to put the link in my description so you can check it out there and download the resource. And alright, without wasting much time, let us begin. So our resource right here, I'm just going to bring it to make it more visible. So go to our trace bitmap, select quick trace. So once quick trace has been selected, we're going to go straight to ungroup all objects. Select that. So now the objects have been ungrouped, so you have to deselect it and select it back again so as to be able to separate the components of this. So we can delete the parts which we do not need. So this we can delete. Alright, so this is what we need. So on this circle, the white circle, let me zoom it a bit. So on the white circle, I'm gonna give it a black color, a red color, like a deep red color. Alright, and likewise this, a deep red color. Okay, and on this black, I'm gonna go to my interactive fill tool, select it. I'm gonna go to my elliptical fountain fill, it's under the fountain fill. And here we have the elliptical fountain fill, that's what I'm gonna use for it. And on this small white box, I'm gonna give it a deep red color, a black color rather. So give it a black color. And on this black box, I'm gonna give it a deep red color. Okay, and this looks good. So go back. And alright, so on this smaller parts, more like the flamey parts, I'm gonna go back to my interactive fill tool. This time I'm just gonna use the normal interactive fill, like normal fountain fill. I'm gonna change it like this, like to adjust it this way. Alright, so on this white box, give it a deep red color too. Then the black is okay for that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same for every other part. Just give the white box a deep red color. Alright, and this color. Alright, so now that we're done with those, let's say for this, looks like light red. Okay, so looks good. So now that we're done with this, we're gonna highlight everything. So I'm just gonna highlight it. Then we're gonna group it. So to group, you can go to this place to group objects, or we can use a shortcut called Ctrl G. So hold your Ctrl and your G key, and it's gonna group it. So once it's been grouped, go to your bitmaps. convert to bitmaps. So resolution of 300 dpi is okay with the color mode of RGB. Select OK. Then go to our effects, straight to texture, select plastic. And so for the points of the plastic, so our highlight is going to be 0 points, our depth is going to be 35 points, and rather we can increase it a bit, and we can increase the smoothness. Yep, this looks good. So our depth is going to be 83 points and our smoothness is going to be 75 points. And this looks good. And with this we're done with the design, and you can see how it looks exactly like the original design. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.